Advising 101. I wanted to make a quick recording for you so that you would feel really comfortable with how to submit the individual learning plan, otherwise described as the ILP. So, the ILP is due on Monday, February 12th, and you can find it by going to our Blackboard page. So, remember that we are advising 101 for spring 2018, so you will see which section you are in. For now, I'm going to my section 14. So once you click here, then what you'll be able to do is go to the instructor teaching materials. So there you can see I have a number of documents here that will be helpful for you, including our session from our meeting in January, our reflections, and that sort of thing. I'll discuss the reflections in another video. Also the catalog and handbook. So you are looking for the individual learning plan. So right here I have a PDF and a doc. For those of you that don't have Microsoft Word on your computer, I would do the PDF. For those of you that do have Microsoft Word, I would encourage you to do the doc, as the formatting issues shouldn't occur. So you click on that to download. However it works for you, you click on it to open it, and then it will pull up. So basically what this individual learning plan is one of the 3 overall requirements. It's a document where you share some information about yourself and your goals. So obviously your name, your ID number, I'm your advisor, Natalie Cruz, and then your date. The first thing you're going to do is what are your current skills and abilities? So things you can do well. So this could be related to your academics or not. So there's some examples there, such as listening, teamwork, problem solving. Next, what are your values? So do you value friends, family, hard work, honesty, integrity? What are some of your values? What are some of your interests? So again, this could be related to school or not related to school. This helps me get to know you better. And then what are some lessons you've learned so far at ZU? Personal academic successes and challenges you've had. So that's your first page. Really, you just have to write a few sentences or 1 or 2 sentences for this. It doesn't have to be in complete sentences either. You can just type out things. That's fine. Next one is your university college plan. So here, what is your GPA? As you know, you can find it through SAP or PAP. What's your current academic standing? You can just put an X beside that. What are your courses and your grades? So most of you will have semester 1 completed. So let's say Gen 140, your English, and you got a B. So then you'll just go through and you'll type out, what are all of the classes you got and the grades that you got. Okay. For semester 2, you can just enter in the courses that you are in right now. Obviously, you don't know what your grade is. And then semester 3, if you want to go ahead and project what classes you'll be in, you can see up here what your general classes are required. And then also if you plan to take summer classes, if they're offered, you can also put them there. So the next part is major exploration. So what's your current major? If you know you want to switch your major, what other majors are you considering? That major switch process is coming up soon. I sent an email about that. And then here, let's put what do you plan to do to help you help familiarize yourself about your major? Are you going to review the catalog? Are you going to observe a class, attend a presentation, go to Majors Day? Please select all the ones here that you plan to do. Okay, so for the last part, and probably the most important part, is about your long-term vision and your short-term goals. So your long-term vision, what do you hope to gain or achieve from your time at ZU? Write a couple sentences here. So maybe, I want to graduate with high honors and a degree in environmental science. You could also talk about maybe you want to gain internships, maybe you want to learn another language, maybe you want to join different clubs. So what are you hoping to achieve? Then let's think about what are your goals for the semester. So in our first session that we had in January, we talked about what some goals might be. So make sure to make them SMART goals. So specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and time-oriented. So maybe you say increase my GPA GPA to 3.0. Okay, so maybe you have a 2.5 and you want to get to a 3.0. And then here, you want to list 2 to 3 actions you can take to achieve that. So let's say attend PALS, tutoring session. Maybe, start studying for exams 1 week in advance as opposed to maybe 2 days in advance. Things like that. Semester 2 goal, maybe you say get involved in an organization. So how are you going to do that? Maybe you'll meet with student affairs to learn about different opportunities. Okay, then maybe attend a club meeting. So those are different things you could do. So you want to do as a goal and actions you'll take. And this is, again, things you're doing this semester. So you're going to type in 3 goals. So after you've entered in all of that, you will save it, and then you're going to submit it. So you'll go back to Blackboard, you'll click on the individual learning plan, you'll see that it's due February 12th. You will attach your file if you want to leave any comments for me, and then you'll submit it. If you make any mistakes, you can always resubmit it, but please try to submit once. Also notice that if you do the PDF, sometimes the PDF has formatting issues that I can't read that. So after you submit it, please open it up and make sure that I can read it. If there's any issues, please fix it. Use the Word doc if anything. Okay, so that's about your individual learning plan. I'll do another video about your reflections. Please do let me know if you have any questions, and best of luck completing this. Thank you so much.